that summer night, the shine of love and the spark of laughter breathe. The stars align and the month-time night burn like a dried-out leaf. Are we leaving on the next train, baby? I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now I ain't missed a 9 to 5, I don't hear it in my song. I'm gonna pull my weight, don't get me wrong. Brand new start and a whole new part, they are big old shoes to fill. I'll be there on that platform, babe, you know I will. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now nothing is this rush of life, you'll never find its match. So you live to be a million years. All hearts are lost by default in the time of a single beat. We're leaving on the next train, babe, so take your seat.
You need the conductor hat on.
I said, there's our round train.
Dewey spent years keeping the street so fine. A police officer serving with pride and time. Now he's retired with a new dream inside. Admit your train is heart's delight. Dewey's train is chugging along. Around his property all day strong. A layer of love is pride and joy. Inviting friends to come and enjoy. He laid the tracks through sun and rain. A winding path through hills and plain. Corvette Club got the invite call to ride the rails and hear he whistles call. Dewey's train is chugging along. Around his property all day strong. A labor of love is pride and joy. Inviting friends to come and enjoy. Corvette's parked alongside the track. Laughter, cheer as the train goes back. Dewey's grin from ear to ear, sharing his dream without fear. Dewey's train is chugging along. Around his property all day strong. A labor of love is pride and joy. Inviting friends to come and enjoy. Now Dewey's train is a local delight, a symbol of passion shining bright, friendship and fun on every ride. Who's met your train, fighting with pride.
Dewey's calling out, inviting us to play Corvette Club buddies. Come on over today. Cook out at his place with laughter and cheer and a ride on his mini train. We can't wait to hear Riding the Rails. Feel like kids again. Dewey's hospitality. We're all friends till the end. Childhood memories standing still today. Laughter and fun in every single way. We gathered round at the mini train Blackthorn 2. Dewey gave instructions on what to do. We rode with Cleve through pine trees in the woods wide, feeling alive with a wind at our side. Riding the rails, feeling like kids again. Dewey's hospitality, we're all friends till the end. Childhood memories standing still today. Laughter and fun in every single way. Then we headed inside to his railroad home so fine. Evelyn's cooking delights made our taste buds shine. Cheeseburgers, baked beans, potato salad galore. Desserts aplenty, we asked for more. Riding the rail, feeling like kids again. Dewey's hospitality, we're all friends till the end. Childhood memories standing still today. Laughter and fun in every single way. Thanks, Dewey and Evelyn, for opening your door. We'll cherish this day forevermore. In your home so warm, with hearts so true, we'll ride again soon with memories of Dew.